Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to show you how to prepare badnekai engai. Along with that, as the combination, I am preparing bili holge or white holge, which is similar to akki roti but is slightly different prepare. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing holge, I am preparing the outer layer. Slightly video is deleted, so I am showing you directly. Now I have added 5 spoons of maida, salt for taste and 1 spoon of chiroti rava. I have added little oil and I have mixed it by using water. See, I have prepared a soft dough like this as we prepare it for normal holge. After preparing, mix it well and slightly you can tap it with oil. And now I will allow it to rest for around half an hour by closing one plate. Now for preparing badnekai engai, I am preparing masala paste. For that I have added around 7 to 8 green chilies. As per spicy, you can add the green chilies. Now I am adding small piece of ginger and half onion, few garlic, coriander, freshly grated coconut, around 3 spoons of coconut, and little turmeric powder, and I am adding sambar powder. Today I am using homemade sambar powder. Around 3 spoons of sambar powder I have added today. And now I am adding jaggery. As per taste you can add jaggery. Now I will add water and I will make a paste. Now I have done the paste. The paste looks like this. And now I am adding the powder of groundnut and black til. If you have done it previously, it will be very easy while preparing any dish. Around 3 spoons of powder I am using today. Black til will be like this. By using this til and groundnut, I have roasted both the groundnut and black til and I have done powder. I have added it to the masala paste. I will mix it and finally the masala paste will be ready. And now here I have taken one pan and I have added little oil. Now here you can see I have taken brinjal. I have done slits from the back side like this. After slitting the brinjal like this, I am going to transfer it to the oil. We need to cook the brinjal in oil. So I am cooking it separately and later I will be adding it to the prepared masala. Like this I am transferring all the brinjals to the oil. After transferring the brinjals to oil, from the top I am adding little oil so that every brinjal will be coated with oil and it will cook evenly. Now I will close one lid and I will allow it to cook until brinjals get soft. Now I am preparing stuffing for bili holge. So that I have taken here one pan and I am adding water. Around 1 cup of water I have used today. For this water I am adding salt. Add salt as per taste. And I am adding 2 drops of oil. We need to allow the water to boil. At the meantime you can see brinjals are also cooking. Let it cook. Here now the water is boiling. I am adding rice flour. Today I am using around 1.5 spoons of rice flour. After adding rice flour, mix it well. Mix it well and allow it to cool so that we can prepare stuffing for Bili Holge. It's very easy and it will be very tasty also. Now the stuffing is ready. After brinjals are cooked, I have taken it to separate plate, and for the same pan I have added little oil, and now I am adding mustard, jeera, and now I am adding 1 chopped onion, few curry leaf. We need to fry this until onions get little soft. I am adding little salt so that onion will cook very fast. Now I am adding little turmeric powder. After adding turmeric powder, mix it well. Now I am adding 1 chopped tomato. We need to cook until tomato gets soft. Here for the prepared masala paste, I am adding tamarind juice. Add tamarind juice as per taste. You can add it later also, but I am adding it for the masala paste. Now you can see brinjals are cooked. It's very soft inside. Like this we need to cook. Now we need to fill masala paste inside these slits. It will be very hot inside, so be careful while filling the masala. I am filling the masala for all the brinjals where we have slitted. After filling masala paste inside the brinjal, now I am transferring it to pan. I am placing all the brinjals inside this. As the brinjals are already cooked, it won't take too much of time. Only the brinjals must absorb all the masala, and masala wants to boil. Until that time we need to cook. Now you can see I have placed all the brinjals. If you have left with masala, you can add it now, and you can adjust the consistency by adding water. After it's boiled, it will get thick, so you can make the gravy slightly thin in watery consistency, and then it will get thick. You can adjust the salt and tamarind juice at this stage. Now I am adding water and I am adjusting the consistency. Now I am adding salt for taste and mix it gently. As brinjals are already cooked, it will be very soft inside. Now once the gravy or masala starts boiling, our badnekai engai will be ready. Now adding little tamarind juice so that the taste will get balanced. Now I will close one plate and allow it to cook so that the badnekai engai will be ready. Now badnekai engai is ready. Now I have transferred the prepared rice flour mixture to separate plate so that it will cool. Now I am mixing it. You can sprinkle some water and you can mix it by hands like this so that you will get one single ball or single dough. And now I have taken here one plastic cover. I have greased the plastic cover with oil. Now you can see the maida mixture. It looks like this. It's soft. Once again mix it. This is for outer layer to prepare Bili Holge. Now I am taking little maida mixture and on this cover or by on hands only you can spread it like this. And inside this I'm going to keep the rice flour mixture, which we are using it as a stuffing for bidi holge. See, like this we need to place the rice flour mixture and we need to cover it from all the sides. I will prepare like this and next I will show you. Now after preparing like this, I am placing another one cover and start rolling this. We can do it in the same way as we prepare normal holges. It will spread very easily and it will be very soft while eating also, and it will be very tasty. See, you can do like this. After preparing, once you can tap it by hands like this and you can remove the outer cover. As we have used plastic, it will be very easy to remove. Here my tawa is also heated. See, now I am removing this holges from cover and I am transferring to tawa. We need to cook it on both the sides. I am adding slightly oil. On both the sides I am adding little oil. If you don't want, you can skip the oil. On both the sides we need to cook until it changes to little golden brown in color. See, I have cooked it like this. Now bidi holge is ready. Now I have transferred it to the serving plate. My morning breakfast badnekai engai along with bidi holge is ready. You can see it's very soft. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.